Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain the five basic measures we are going to use in the Power BI. So simple, I just use a ChatGPT and I ask for the 10 basic measure, but I'll explain only five here. So in the first step, what I'll do, I'll just simply, create a simple table for the measures. Then I'll try to store all those measures that I'm creating in a separate table. So in order to create a separate table for the measures, just click over the table tool and then new table, and then uh, use the function there, that is a generate series, and the generate series just use the value 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, just change the name, that is the T measures. Okay, after creating this table, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create the list of the measures here. So new measure, and the first measure that I'm going to use here, that is about the total sale that I have copied from the ChatGPT. And it's a very simple, just using the sum. Now I'm using scorecard and I place that measure there. And the second measure, that is about the average sale, so I'm going to use this. Similarly, I'll show this value in scorecard. And the third measure, that is the max. So I'll create a new measure here and then parse the value that I have received from the chat GPT. Okay, again I'll show this value in the scorecard. Similarly, there is a minimum value, but I'm not going to use it. The same function of the max and min. Okay, the next one is the sales last year. So I'm not using the calendar table in my Power BI report. So I'm just using only the sales data, and in the sales data I have the date column. So I'll replace that. Okay, the last one is the year and year growth. So I'll copy this scorecard and will place the value of the sales year and year growth on that, and it will show the percentage of the yearly growth. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.